Am I gassing it or what, bro? These shoes are tough to me, and I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna actually do. These are my shoes, but we even got chrome on the insole. Now, hold up, y'all not hearing me right now. We got chrome on the insole with the Nike labeling. Y'all don't deserve the close up anymore. I'm going back to my table, bro. Y'all don't deserve the close up because I really don't think y'all hear me for real, man. These are super tough, and I love what they're doing. I love how they're incorporating a lot of Drake's symbols with the Nike symbols. Just like when they do a collab, I feel like Nike, they begin lazy. Really, not even Nike. Any brand, they'll get real lazy with these collabs, and they won't really, you know what I'm saying, put the other person's idea on the shoe while bringing it with Nike. So this is the first shoe. I didn't even. I'm so gassed up. I didn't even bring out the second one, man. But yeah, these are tough. I think the only detail that I didn't touch, because I think everything's the same. Yeah, everything's the same on both shoes. But the only thing is, it's just the tongue. It has all the tridents on the tongue with this little bubble piece on the tongue. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bring out the first pair of Noctas that I have. I have two pairs. And I think I'm gonna give the second one to my mom because they messed up in my storage. If you haven't watched that video, go sure and check that one out. But I'm gonna bring out my original ones. So these are my original ones, and we're gonna. Oh my gosh, bro! I've been messing up my shoes.